welcome back to my channel. So it's that month again. I am going to be retouching up my hair. Not too dramatic, I'm just going to refreshen up the color. The color I will be using is from Wella Colorcharm. It's medium natural brown 4N. And I picked this up at Sally Beauty, and I'm going to be using the 30 volume Age Beautiful developer. If you want to see how well this color works, then keep on watching. So I'm going to let this sit in my hair for about 40 minutes, and I will rinse it out, style my hair, and I will show you the final results. Hi beauties, welcome back. I just wanted to give you my final review on the Wella Colorcharm. And like I said, I got mine in 4N medium natural brown. And I'm not very satisfied with the results. Before starting out, my hair was medium light, and it had kind of like a blonde highlights in it. It wasn't too dark. If you go back from the beginning, you could see my hair completely came out black, and I'm not too fond of it. And a lot of staining. I mean, the staining was so hard I couldn't take it off, and I'll show you in the back where I really got a lot of staining. I got a lot of it here. I tried to take it off and it irritated my skin. So I do not recommend this one. I know Wella has other ones, and I've done the videos. I'll have linked down below, and it wasn't this bad. I was just hoping to refreshen the color, and yeah. So stay tuned for my next video, because I will be completely getting rid of this color and going back to the light medium brown. So yeah, not happy. Alright beauties, well thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it helped you out, and until my next video, bye beauties. No broken hearts in the club.